This demo will show how AppSOC for AWS Security Hub can significantly expand your team's ability to manage security findings across Amazon tools, prioritize what matters most to your business, and take immediate and automated action to fix vulnerabilities and other security issues. This joint solution can greatly expand the capabilities of Security Hub. It consolidates and correlates findings across a wide range of Amazon and third-party tools, provides clear visibility while reducing complexity, and it eliminates noise of redundant and low-priority alerts by over 95%. The AppSOC platform adds more advanced capabilities, including contextual risk-based prioritization, automated remediation workflows, integration with hundreds of security tools, and it goes beyond just compliance checkboxes to help you holistically manage risk. Here's an overview of the solution. Through our API integration, AppSOC ingests findings from Security Hub for any of the supported Amazon services. This can be combined with data from hundreds of third-party tools, including SAST, DAST, SCA, cloud, container, and infrastructure security tools. The solution automatically aggregates, deduplicates, and normalizes risk scoring, and it correlates this with threat intelligence from EPSS, SysAkev, and other sources. All of this helps you cut through the noise and prioritize action based on your business's specific needs. And of course, security data is only useful if you act upon it. The solution includes automated workflows and integrations to alert stakeholders, track and remediate issues through the most popular tools like ServiceNow, Jira, Microsoft, and more, while helping you measure performance, security posture, and SLAs. So let's look at the joint solution in action. In our executive dashboard, you can quickly see a visual summary of the findings from Security Hub and other tools. We can also look at the data by business units, applications, microservices, libraries, hosts, or resource groups, where we can see a summary of findings by AWS accounts, instances, containers, regions, and more. Now let's go back to our dashboard and look at our funnel to see how AppSOC automatically reduces noise and pinpoints critical and actionable findings. Here we have detected almost 10,000 issues from AWS, but automatically we've eliminated about 8% as redundant. Then we've correlated findings across all of these tools and consolidated this down to about 1/3 of the original issues. But AppSOC takes this process much further. Through our advanced correlation engine, threat intel data, and your business context, we can get this down to under 200 critical incidents that must be addressed, about 2% of the original noisy data. But we can still refine this further. Now let's look at our unique heat map. Here we're clearly charting all of these issues by both exploitability and the impact on your business. Now we've narrowed this down to only 28 critical issues that are both exploitable and represent the highest risk to your business. And now with one click, we can drill down and look directly at the critical findings in granular detail, either at the application or microservices level. Now let's look at a specific vulnerability. In one place, you can see detailed descriptions, information on the source, locations, exploitability, fixes, and more. We can also see that this vulnerability is one of the CWE Top 25, the OWASP Top 10, and SysAkev, the known exploited vulnerabilities. These are the most dangerous. You can also see details from AWS, including the ID, type, region, registry, repository, and much more. And all this granular information can be automatically turned into tickets and notifications to the right stakeholders so that remediation actions can be taken quickly and precisely. AppSOC also helps you manage software supply chain security and SBOMs. Our hierarchical data model understands how applications are built and puts all findings in the right context, and it maps them to shared libraries, microservices, applications, resource groups, or business units. Our knowledge of the application hierarchy helps us accurately assess risks and pinpoint vulnerabilities, helping you see the bigger picture on issues that might show up in hundreds of places across your application stack. Finally, let's return to our executive dashboard and show how we can easily filter any of this data and quickly narrow down the focus to one business unit or specific applications, and the dashboard automatically recalculates. You can learn more about any of these capabilities in our demo library, and of course, we'd be happy to show you a live demo or discuss your specific use cases. Thanks again for your interest in AppSOC and our solution for AWS Security Hub.